Okay, this past weekend, I was making my workshop renovation purchases for items that I would need to help me out with this transformation. I just totally blew it all up, and I'm starting over with a very nice ergonomic and at least pleasant to look at by the time I'm done with it. But as I was making my purchases, the gal at the counter said, if you buy $50, you'll get a free torque wrench. So I headed back to the area and said, oh, I could use more clamps, right? Who doesn't need more clamps, right? So I bought these Pittsburgh ratchet clamps and a couple of bar pipe clamps. Pipe clamps are very good, like pipe clamps, but we were talking about the Icon tool line they have, and she said, well, those are lifetime warranty, and since I had these, she said, also the Pittsburgh is a lifetime warranty. So, and I've had them break before, and I wound up throwing them in the garbage, and I didn't realize there was a lifetime warranty. So that's a great deal for me any day of the week. All you need to do is just take it back to them and they'll exchange it.